channel. So today we are going to make this awesome Lord Buddha quilling painting. So here is the list of the material you will need to make it. I already have a painting of Lord Buddha printed on paper and I have stick it with a black paper. You can check the description for the link, or you can draw it with a white pencil on a black paper. So now we will take the foam sheet and we will start embossing the Lord Buddha painting on the black paper using our embossing tools. You can also use an empty pen. Make sure you are tracing the lines properly. So guys, you can also follow me on Instagram and you can ask your quilling related queries there. So we will remove the pins and it will look like this after completing. I have also cut the extra part. So here I have joined total 3 strips of paper of yellow or orange color like this, so we can make a thicker border. So guys, now I am going to show you 3 different techniques about how you can place the strips properly on the painting. So in the first technique, you have to apply the glue like this using a pen and a cardboard. You can simply place the strip with the help of tweezers. Cut the extra strip using a blade, but be extra careful while using it. So now in the second technique, we will do the eye and we will take a measurement of the part of eye, and with the help of tweezers and glue, we will stick it like this. Apply the glue like this and stick it. Complete the second part with the same process. Take some glue on the tweezers and apply it in the corners to make it perfect. Be careful while cutting the extra paper. You can complete the other eye similarly. So now the third technique. In the third technique, I am using the handmade fine tip bottle. If you don't know how to make it, here is the link. So you can see in the fine tip bottle there is no extra glue, so the glue marks will not be there. Here is a quick tip for you. This is how I join 2 to 3 strips together. strips very carefully following the embossed design. Complete the other part similarly. You can also see how I am taking different shapes with the help of tweezers. Here also you can see how useful is the fine tip bottle. You can also find the link in description. Stick the small round like this. Part similarly. So you can see how I made that small round. Here I am using a border body tool. You can also use a pen. Secure the end, and you have to make the circles approx 50 in quantity, as we have to cover the complete upper part. Stick the circle like this by using the glue with tweezers and a board. Stick all the other circles similarly. For the smaller spaces, I have created a smaller circle. You can stick it similarly. So guys, it will look like this after completing. So you can see there are some glue marks, but if you are using the fine tip bottle, it will be not there, or it will be less. So guys, here is the end of a video. If you like the idea, do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share my videos. Thank you for watching.